Hey friends, welcome back to the studio. So, if you work on a team or you're building something you'll come back to in 6 months, you need a diagram of your data model. Not in your head, not in a Notion doc someone wrote once and never updated. An actual, accurate, up to date diagram of how your models relate to each other. So, Dartform generates it automatically and you can export it in seconds. Let me show you. So click the ER diagram tab inside data modeling. Every model in your project appears as a card automatically. Fields, types, and relation lines connecting everything together. So before we export, let's make it look clean. Click auto layout, or you can also layout manually. Dartform spaces everything out using a force directed algorithm, so no manual dragging required. If your diagram has a lot of enum types and you want to focus on the table models, you can always toggle hide enums. It's much cleaner. Or go further and hide none table. Shows only the models that have actual database tables. Now you're looking at exactly what your database looks like. You can click any relation line to see which models it connects and what kind of relation it is. Great. When you're happy with the layout, just click export PNG. That's your data architecture as a clean, shareable PNG. Drop it in your README, add it to your team wiki, paste it into your onboarding docs. About filter controls and PNG export. Your Serverpod data architecture always accurate, always on one tab or one tab away. So if you haven't tried Dartform yet, the link is in the description below. And if this was helpful, subscribe for more.